Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make pisang cake, banana cake. The things you need for a banana cake are 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 4 eggs, 400 grams of bananas, half a lime, 1 tablespoon of baby ginger, half a teaspoon of cardamom extract, 100 milliliter of rice oil, 80 grams of sugar, 20 grams of fresh ginger, and half a teaspoon of salt. So I'm gonna make my banana cake in a rice steamer, so you don't need an oven. Any rice steamer will do. So my rice steamer has the setting dessert. This works very well for a cake, but if you have a simple rice steamer, just push the button cook rice for about 50 minutes in total, and then your cake is done as well. Same as this one. First we're gonna grease the pan with some butter. So I've done that. This is a non-stick pan. And now we can make the batter. We start with the wet ingredients. So this is 400 grams of banana. You can use any kind of bananas. You can use bananas that are overripe. That is also fine. I'm gonna add to the bananas some fresh ginger. This is 20 grams. Oops. And some baby ginger. This is super sweet. And it's a little bit spicy even because of the ginger. And I'm gonna add the cardamom extract. That makes it even better. You can also use fresh cardamom powder, but the extract is really natural and really good. So now I'm gonna blend this with the immersion blender. My blender has done all the work. Now I add the salt and the lime. The batter needs 4 medium eggs. The sugar, not so much because bananas are sweet. The baking soda, baking powder. My batter has turned into a lighter color, you see. This is my banana mix, and we can add it to the batter. And now we're gonna gently mix this on low speed. This is rice oil. It doesn't smell. It's really good for cake. I'm not gonna whisk anymore. I'm just gonna fold it in the batter. And same goes for my flour. Just gonna fold it in. First I'm gonna sieve, not everything at once. About a third. And then I'm gonna fold it in. The batter is done. So now I add it to my greased pan of my rice steamer. It's so simple to make this one. Now let's steam. It just turned to keep warm. Now I'm gonna check. And I'm gonna turn it over. Yes, I think it came out. Yeah, there you go. Moist. I can taste the baby ginger really well. And the fresh ginger, of course. This is banana cake. Pisang steam cake. Yeah, really good. Selamat makan.